Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer USDT from Binance to OKX. So there will be two videos. This is the part 1 from Binance to OKX, and the part 2 is from OKX to Binance. So in this video, I will show you how to transfer USDT from Binance to OKX. So first, you can open your OKX app, then go to your asset here in the bottom right corner. Then as you can see, there is deposit here. You can click it. Then you can choose deposit crypto. And then you can search USDT. Search it, and you will find USDT here. You can click it. Okay, for the network, I will choose Tron because it is the cheaper and the fastest one. Tron. And then this is my USDT wallet address on Binance. I will copy, on OKX, I will copy it, and then I will open my Binance apps, and then I will transfer my USDT. Okay, now you can go to your asset in the bottom right corner here, and then as you can see, there is send. You can click it, send. Then you can choose send to, you can choose on-chain withdraw, and you can choose USDT. Then you can paste your wallet here, your address. You can copy it, and then you can paste it here. And then you can choose Tron network. You can put the amount. I will choose 14. Let's see. And there is fee to transfer it. You can click withdraw, and you can just confirm it. You can verify it, and it's processing, and I will skip it and I will show you the result. As you can see guys, my USDT just landed on my OKX account. So that's it. I hope it's useful for you. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.